All right. Um, this is just a piece of advice I want to give to anyone living here in China and anyone who consumes chicken as food in China. For quite a number of times, I've been cooking the same chicken from different vendors, and this time around, I decided to change a different way of cooking it. I mean, grilling it before cooking it. And for the past three times from different vendors, I have tried this, and this is the kind of substance that comes out of it anytime I grill it. So it's something I don't know what it is. I don't know what these substances are. I mean, they're kind of preservatives or anything. I don't know. But what I know is that it doesn't look good and it's not something that's gonna be good for your health. And it's a piece of advice that I want to give to anyone living here in China and a consumer of chicken, that if you are making chicken, or you before you cook the chicken, make sure you grill the chicken and for 2 hours, because I'm gonna do this again and until I get an empty tray out. I'm gonna do that again. The chicken might become harder, but it's good. It's gonna save your health, and it's gonna make you save some money going to the hospital, and I don't know what problems it might be. I mean, so it's just an advice. If you are a consumer of chicken, make sure you grill it for an hour or more before you cook it. Thank you.